Yeah, guys, welcome back. In the last session, we have created a complete folder structure related to this particular framework. As part of the today's session, let us create a page objects class in which I just want to define a page factory locators in it. So what I'm doing right now is I'm defining a new file with a name as a login page. Okay, I'm defining a new file with a name as a login page. And the class that I gonna define out over here is a login page. This is the class. And here I'm gonna define my constructor, and in this particular constructor, I was just taking this driver instance so that this self dot driver is equal to the driver. Wherever you are calling it, you will be passing on this particular driver. That driver, you are going to use it here. And now, here, what I want to do for now is basically on this UI catalog application, I want to deal with this alerts view. I know that this alerts view is having an accessibility ID. So here, what I'm doing right now is cell alerts option. Okay, I'm choosing this alerts option is equal to alert view. I know that this locator is having the accessibility ID, hence I have defined that. Using the page of factory mechanism, I'm just creating a locator. I have already created a locator as part of the page factory mechanism. I'm creating a method here for this. So here, self dot driver dot I want to use a find element. Okay, I want to use a find element in which I'm using the Appium by accessibility ID, and this accessibility ID is going to be the alert option, and I want to perform the click operation on it. Okay, so I'm asking it to perform a click operation on it. That's it, guys. Nothing more than that I have created. So this is the next step I have done. So if you see the document, basically the third step, the first two steps are creating a project, adding all the dependencies, creating the folder structure, everything are covered as part of the two steps. And as part of the third step, you need to create a page object class where in which you can define the locators, and in which you just need to write down the customized method for that. See, guys, as of now I was just maintaining it for only one particular button. Once this structure got implemented and all the steps were completed, then we will expand this logic by executing on the multiple locators and as well as the multiple methods. Okay, so let's take a pause here, and in the next session we will continue with how are we gonna define a particular test case that we will see in the next session. Thank you.